A voyage to Dubai. Let's just start the journey when the sun goes down. As it's the most sizzling nightlife city anywhere in the Middle East. Take a Mariana yacht tour for a magical journey across the rippling waters of the Arabian Gulf where the East meets the West. And explore the jewels of Dubai, Ain Wheel, JBR and Atlantis. Then, head towards Desert Safari for a thrilling adventure and experience Arabic culture. Activities like shisha smoking, belly dance shows, tanura shows, fire shows, and many more are there. Are you ready to be at the top of the world? Get set and go to the world's tallest man-made structure and UAE's iconic landmark, Burj Khalifa. Get the complete magnificence of downtown Dubai on top of it. Right below the Burj Khalifa has the Burj Lake. Relish the world's tallest fountain, Dubai Fountain, the dancing water. After getting tired of exploring the city, relax in the warm water of JBR Open Beach. Engage yourself in fluffy white and powdery soft sand and beautiful blue-green color warm water. What else do you want? Well, Dubai isn't limited to deserts or architecture. As Dubai can take you from blazing heat to sub-zero temperatures in no time. Ski Dubai, snow time fun. Play in the snow, slide down the tube and roll down in a zorb ball. Exciting, right? But wait. A trip is incomplete without food and pictures. Have a romantic dinner at Dow Cruise. It offers mouth-watering food, welcome drinks, served gahwa. And then, open the door for a 5-star buffet of intercontinental cuisine. Now take a walk to the narrow alleys of history at Al Fahidi Quarter in Dubai, known as Bustekia. Steps into the biggest glow park in the world, Dubai Garden Glow. It's divided into themes such as Glow Park, Dinosaur Park, Ice Park, and Art Park. Well, the tour doesn't end here. Have an adventurous trip. Take a hot air balloon ride. Fly through the clear skies and behold the eye-catching sunrise views of the Arabian desert. Headed towards the Dubai Aquarium Underwater Zoo. Meet the king croc, the largest crocodile in the world. Well, Dubai, the city of gold, will never fail to amaze you by offering the best activities to do. Visiting Dubai, activities to do. Can't happen. Come across the impressive collection of gold, clothing, souvenirs, and electronics in the world's largest mall, Dubai Mall. It comprises around 1,200 shopping outlets, located at the foothill of Burj Khalifa. You are just within a click away from the best Dubai tour packages. Contact MaujiTrip today.